Okay, in this tutorial I will create article, maybe news, maybe your video update on your website. And in this tutorial I will create article or news or etc with a comment. Each article I add a comment form here, and if your article added a comment, the comment will be displayed in your article or your news, maybe like that. Okay, first thing, you need localhost server. You can use WAMP or XAMPP, WAMP or XAMPP. Here I use XAMPP, XAMPP, and make sure your Apache running, MySQL running like this. Okay, now I go to web browser. I just create a database. Now I create database, maybe article comment. My database name article comment, and I press create. Now I have article comment database. Now I create a table of article, maybe article. Okay, and I need maybe number, title, description maybe, and contain, and maybe okay 4. Okay, here, and I press go. Now in column 1 I type maybe num or number, and I choose big int, and I go to right. Here I need auto increment. Okay, I check in AI, and index I choose primary. Okay, I go to left, and now a title, and in this value I need varchar, maybe 300. Okay, 200. Okay, now I need descriptions. Description I need choose a varchar, and maybe 1,000 character, and contain maybe varchar 2 and 3,000. Okay, I have table, article tables, and now I create save, and you can check maybe insert and title, maybe this is article 1, and here I copy. This is description, description 1, and this is contains article 1, and I press go, and Okay, I change this name. I press change and I change a description. Okay, I click save. Now I have, okay, I think it's right. Okay, and now I have one article here. Now I go to Dreamweaver to setting up my website, adding site in Dreamweaver and connect to database. And next tutorial I will show you about this connecting database and setting Dreamweaver to database. Okay, see you next time and goodbye. Okay, before I open Dreamweaver, I just go to my Explorer. In C, directory C, I use XAMPP, and now I must create a folder to my XAMPP, and I open it. I go to htdocs and I open it, and now I create a folder and I add a name, maybe article comment. Okay, like this, or maybe underscore. Okay, maybe here, and I open it. I add images folder. I add this, and now I go to Dreamweaver. Okay, in your Dreamweaver, go to site and new site. Now you have option like this, and type maybe article comment. I copy and paste here, and now go to server and add here, add new server and paste your name. Choose local network and server folder. You can choose here, and article comment, select, and web URLs. You can type localhost, okay, and your folder, okay, like this. Now click save. Okay, I have this, and go to, okay, maybe just like that, and I click save. Okay, and unnamed, okay, and okay. Now you have this folder here, image here, your site, and now I create a file. Right click, new file, and index. I create index PHP, okay, like this, and I open it, index PHP here, maybe, okay, server, okay, and discover, yes, And now I need connect to my database, and I go to window and choose database, and now I click plus sign here and click again my SQL connection, and now you have this option, connection name, maybe article command, and MySQL server localhost, and username. I don't have username and password here. I just type root, and now go to select button and click it. Now you have all database on your SQL. Okay, I choose article command. I press OK and I press test. Okay, and I press test 1 again. Now success connection was made successfully. I press OK and I press OK. Okay, I think my Dreamweaver error, but okay, like this. Maybe I cancel, and now I have a connection here. I think okay, if I open my PHP, I have a connection here, and if you okay okay, sorry, I closed it. Okay, I have a connection to MySQL, and if I preview in maybe Internet Explorer, okay, here how, okay, save, and now I not have a error here. If I change maybe, okay, I delete A maybe, and I show again in preview. Yes, okay, okay, or I preview in Firefox. If I add again, okay, I maybe okay. I check again, and okay, I think it's correct. And now I try to add PHP file. Okay, if I try to preview, Okay, now I get it, and I just add. Okay, I delete in, and I go to binding, and now you oh okay, I go to binding, record set query, and now article connection, article comment, table article, and I choose all, and filter, okay, none, and sort number descending. Okay, if I test, I get article 1. Okay, like this, and I press okay, now I have my record set query, and now I need here I go to insert and data object, dynamic data, and dynamic table. I need here. Okay, maybe okay, dynamic table, and I need article in 10 record the time. Okay, and I need border 1, and I press OK. Okay, I don't have anything here, and if I preview, okay, I don't have my article, and I go to insert again, data object, dynamic data, dynamic table, and article, press OK. Now I have this table, and okay, I choose my table, and make sure your table in bodies, in your bodies, like this. Now if I preview in Firefox, I have this table. Now if I add, maybe I insert again, and this is article 2, and I copy, paste, and contain. Okay, and here description, and if I go, now I go to Firefox, reload. Now I have 2 articles here. Okay, in next video I will create a command table. Okay, see you next time, and goodbye.
Okay, now in part 3, here I want to add a title in my index. Here I have page, home page, and if you go here, you still have not a title. Maybe I add article with command tutorial, maybe like this. And if I save all, and I go to my web browser, here I have article with command tutorial. Now I change a little design here. Okay, in this title, maybe I add header, and I change capital in N, and here I choose header 2 and capital on T, and here header capital on G, here header and C capital. And in number, I just have here, and maybe I choose header 2. If I save all, now if I reload, I have number 2 and 1 here, and like this. Now I create a new PHP. Here I right click, new file, and maybe view. Like this, view.php. I double click it, and now I go to insert. I create a record set. Here I have article comment database, and here I don't have a record set. Now I click to create a record set. I click plus sign here, record set query, and now I create article. I create article view. Maybe like this, and connection, article command, and table. I have article, only article table, and I choose this table. And now I go to filter, and I add a number and equal URL parameter, and I take maybe none. Maybe none. Number and sort none and ascending. If I click test, now I must insert a value. If I insert 2 and press OK, I have number 2. Like this. And if I try this again, and I insert 1 and press OK, now I have number 1. This is article 1. If I press again and I type 3, I don't have anything, no data here. Now I press OK. I have script here, new script, with Dreamweaver created in my page. And okay, I just change maybe few split vertical. Okay, now I have design and script, and now in here in body I press enter here. Okay, I press enter and I insert data object, dynamic data and dynamic tag, and I choose all here and press OK. Now I have okay like this. If I save, I try to save and I change to okay, maybe I preview here. Yes, and now I have no data here, but if I add a question mark like this and none equal 1, if I enter, okay, okay, I try, here, I add maybe title, and I save all, and I go to here, reload. Now I have this article 1, because I change the value, I have the value 1. If I change 2, I have this article 2, and maybe I add a paragraph B, and I copy this, paste here, and this maybe description, description, and here I add content. And now if I save all, I go to web browser again and reload. I have this is article 2, this is description, and this is content. Maybe I change, okay, maybe here I add heading 1, and here okay, I delete paragraph, and here I add refresh, and here I add heading 2, and here I add heading maybe 3, and now if I save all and I go to web browser, reload, now I have this is article 2. Okay, I change maybe okay, here and here I click refresh, and I add heading 2. Okay, and now if I save all, preview again, I have this is article 2, description and content. And now I go to homepage index.php PHP, and I change maybe vertically, split vertically, and in title I add a link. Okay, in title I add a link, and go to your folder, and here choose view PHP, and in parameter click it and type none. Okay, and click this icon and choose number and press OK. Press OK again. I press OK here. Now if I save all and I go to my article index.php, if I reload, I have a link in my title. If I click this, I go to detail my article. Okay, like this. This is a concept. Maybe, okay, I change a title here. In view PHP, I have a title, and in here, I copy this PHP. I copy, paste here, and I don't have description. Okay, I just copy my title and I go to file, save all, and now if I reload in index, I have a link, and if I click the link, now I have, this is article 2. If I back and I click article 1, now I have article 1 and a title, this is article 1. Okay, next tutorial, I will create comment, table comment, and I will add a comment in each article. See you next time. Goodbye.
And this is video 4, part 4. And now I go to web browser, and if you create or install WAM, you can use WAM. Now I have WAM, and I click PHP my admin, and I go to PHP my admin here. I have a article comment database. If I click, I have article table. Okay, like this. And now I create a comment table. In this table, I want to add maybe name. Okay, maybe number. Article with a command. I add article, maybe a name, maybe email, for, and maybe command, and maybe time. Okay, I need 6 column. Okay, I add 6 and I press go. Okay, now I have this option, and here I type number of comment, and maybe big ent, and go to right and AI, auto increment, and primary, and now go to left and add again maybe
article. Okay, and article I choose big ent, and now here I add okay, mean varchar maybe only okay 12 or 22, and now I add email. I choose varchar and here maybe 300. Now I add command and varchar maybe 1000 character and time. Okay, time and ent. Okay, ent time and okay varchar maybe. Okay, varchar and maybe 30. Okay, now I click save. Now I have a comment. Okay, like this: number, article, name, email, comment. And I go to my Dreamweaver, and now I right click in my project and new file, and I create a comment .php. Okay, like this. Now I double click to open it, and I delete all. And go to file, save, and now go to binding. You must create a new query here. Just click plus sign here and choose record set query, and now you have this dialog. And okay, waiting, and now I add a name, maybe comment, and connection, article, command, and table, command. Okay, and now I have all here, and I choose filter here. In filter I choose article, and in article I change the same name with a value. I change name and press OK. If I test, I don't have anything data here. If I add one, I don't have anything because I don't have a new command here, and now I just press OK. Okay, I just press OK, and okay, I just press OK, and now I try to insert and data object, dynamic tag, maybe dynamic table, and okay, maybe a 10. Okay, 10. Cell padding maybe 3, and okay, press OK, or all, maybe all record. I press OK. Okay, I don't have table here. Okay, I just click in design and go to insert, or maybe I go to file, save, and go to insert data object, dynamic data, dynamic table, and all record, cell padding 3, cell spacing 3, and border 1, and press OK. Now I have this command, and if I go to preview in Firefox, yes to all, yes and yes. Now I don't have okay, I go to here and okay, I have my table is not in the right place. Okay, I try click here and right click in coding and cut. Now you go to a button and here make a open PHP like this, PHP, and here you add closing PHP. Okay, PHP, and now I go here and right click, paste. Now if I save all and go to web browser, reload, now I have this table. Okay, now I need a form here. I need a form to my command. I go to here, a button, and I go to insert and dynamic object and insert record from wizard. Okay, I click this, and now I have this dialog, and okay, now I have a connection, article, command, and table. I need command, table, and after inserting, go to I need okay, I just go to command form. Okay, and okay, and label. Okay, label number. Okay, just like this. Okay, maybe like this, and I press OK. Okay, now I have a table form. I have form here. Okay, I have a form. If I click form, I have form, and okay, I think the position of script is right. If I try to preview, yes, now I have this this form. Okay, and now I need to hide this number and article. Okay, I go to Dreamweaver and here, okay, here I add maybe hidden, and I change to okay, maybe here I change okay, maybe here, and I go to this input field 2, and I change to hidden, and position in here after a number. Okay, now I don't have input field number and article. Okay, now I delete my number and article. Okay, just like this. And now in my form, okay, I have this preview. If I add a preview, I have like this. Okay, and I just add include to my my view PHP. Okay, just like this. Now I go to view.php and in here I need paragraph. I add p and I type PHP here. You can go to insert and go to PHP and click include. Okay, now you have this script PHP space include like this, and just type like this and browse. Now you choose command.php and press OK and closing question. Okay, and closing like this. If I preview in Firefox, now I have article commands. Okay, I go to index view, preview in Firefox. Yes, and now I have this, and if I click, I have data here. If I add a name, I try to add a comment. Okay, I change in comment form. I try to add here, and I go to number in value. I type like this. Okay, and PHP and type echo get $sign $_ get double click, and you have this and like this and closing. Okay, and here none. Okay, now in I think it's right here, and no, sorry, I'm wrong. I cut here, right click, cut, and I add a value of article. Okay, I paste here, and if I save all and go to web browser, I reload it, and I try maybe okay, I add a time here, and value I type PHP and I type maybe date and closing and here maybe a T. Okay, T, and comma, and M, comma, okay, here, and I save all, go to web browser, reload, okay, I try again to add here, and okay, maybe like this, save all, reload, okay, I try to delete, save all, okay, I'll fit that in next video. Okay, see you and goodbye. Okay, I add time here and I add PHP, PHP and date here single quote and T M Y, and I add closing. If I save all, I go to my web browser. Now I have this and I try to add a name, maybe Adam, and email, and comment, and insert record. Time cannot be null. Okay, if I reload, resend, time cannot be null. Okay, I test, okay, echo, I add echo here. Go to file, save all, and go to web browser, reload. Now I have this. Okay, T, I just type T here and save all, go to web browser, reload, and now I type Adam, email, and test, insert record. Now I have this, but I have command.php. Now I go to command.php and I try change here. I go to form, and if you try here, you okay, go to server binding here, insert record from one article command, double click it, and you can edit. Okay, I try to wait here. Okay, now I have this form article command and form, and after inserting, go to, I change to view dot php and like this name and equal php and echo and dollar cat. Okay, like this, and none. Okay, and I add closing here. Okay, I press OK, and now if I save all, I go to my index. Here I have index. I go to index file, reload. Okay, I have index file, press, and okay, comment online. I try command 5.2 insert. Okay, here I need, and I just type like this. I just type like this, and here single quotes like this. And if I save all, go to here and reload. Okay. Comment 15. Okay, I need double quotes, dot, and like this. Save all. I try again, reload. Okay, and now I have this, and if I change one, enter, I have a new commenter here. If I try again, okay, I try to hide a time here. I go to Dreamweaver, select the text field and type here hidden, and change the position maybe okay after comment, and okay after comment, and select and delete. And you can change a comment with multi-line, okay, like this, and you can add maybe 46 and line none lines, maybe 6. Okay, I have this, and I try again to save all. And now I go to my web browser, enter, and I have this form. I try to maybe album, email, okay, and testing, comment 2. I click insert record, incorrect table name. Okay, I try incorrect table name. Okay, I try edit from action, edit from action. Edit from action. Okay, I think here. Okay, maybe number, article. Okay, I try to save all again. Insert record. Okay, now I have article 1, and if I go to index, index view. Okay, I choose article 2. I add a comment again here. Task 3, insert record. Now I have number 3, comment 3, and article 2. Okay, here num2 and num2. Okay, maybe like this. You can create an article or anything you want with Dreamweaver and MySQL database, and you can add a table and maybe place it your comment in your article, maybe like this. With this tutorial you can create another system maybe. And I try again, once again, and task 4. Okay, I have functionality here. You can add a link, homepage, or anything you want in your article, or anything you want in your page. Okay, maybe this is tutorial, and we meet again in another tutorial, and goodbye.